Okay, so this is gonna be my first real unboxing. Just got a package from Amazon, and I want to start unboxing basically everything I get, everyday products, because what usually happens with me is that I look at the product, it might be a cheap product, it might be an expensive product, but I don't really see anyone unboxing and giving everything out there a chance. But what I also want to do on this channel, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, every product I unbox, or at least do a giveaway twice a month. So say for example, I'm unboxing this product, I will give this product away to win a view. But enough of that. Amazon packages came and I bought a RAV Power 6-port 60-watt USB wall charger. I'm excited to get this. I have a lot of stuff that I have to charge every single day. I have to charge the camera, I have to charge my GoPro, charge my light, charge my phone. I have a whole entire bag here just of charging cables. So I'm glad that I finally I'm able to get a new one of these. My older one actually just gave up. So in the box, you have the actual unit itself and a power cable. Not much in here. They don't really have to give you much in here. Oh, pretty basic products. You have your 6 USB chargers on the front. Not sure if we can get that. Lower logo on the top, and your input for your 120 volts to 240 volts ACN. I have the US adapter, US version, but this takes 100 volts to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. And it says it outputs 60 watts in total. It's also a smart charger, so I believe it has some Power IQ stuff in there. Basically, if a device only needs this much power, it's only going to give it that much power. Yeah, so 60 watts in total, and that's going to be 60 watts throughout all 6 of these ports. And minus that, there's not really much to look into. I will put dimensions on the screen for you guys. Might do a little After Effects stuff. It does not come with any 3M tape, which is what I was hoping for, because I'm going to mount this underneath my desk. But that was the RAV Power. Ooh, forgot the name of the port. The 60-watt 6-port USB wall charger. I will leave a link in the video description if you want to pick up one of these. Yeah, on Amazon, Prime shipping. Great pickup if you have a lot of stuff to charge, just like me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. I know everybody tells you this, but it's something that's free for you to do, but it helps us out so much. So if you could take the time, subscribe, even if you don't hit the notification bell, but just a sub and a like, or maybe even a comment to show people that you enjoyed the video. And also, if you have any other products that you want me to look at, leave a comment down below with a link, and I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. And I'm trying to do at least one of these videos every single week. Thank you for watching. Adios.